If you have been looking for a way to achieve total, blanket security coverage for your entire home or property without getting trapped in a web of messy wires or hit with endless monthly subscription fees, you are in the perfect place. Today, we are reviewing a massive property protection setup, the aosu D1 Classic 8-camera wireless outdoor security system. This is an absolute beast of a system that covers every single angle of your home, and it relies entirely on local storage and solar energy. Let's talk about the incredible coverage you get right out of the box. While most home kits stop at 2 or 4 cameras, this system packs a full network of 8 completely wire-free, solar-powered cameras. Each individual camera is equipped with its own high-efficiency solar panel, meaning all they need is a little bit of daylight to stay continuously charged and operating all year round. You skip the expensive electrician bills, you don't have to drill through your walls for power cables, and you never have to climb up a ladder to swap out dead batteries. But what good is full coverage if the video looks blurry? aosu solves that by packing stunning 3K ultra-high-definition resolution into these units, bringing out crystal-clear details like faces, clothing patterns, and license plates even from afar. When the sun goes down, the 3K full-color night vision kicks in with powerful built-in spotlights to ensure your footage stays as vibrant and detailed at midnight as it does at noon. On top of that, these are 360-degree pan-tilt zoom cameras. With full panoramic rotation and smart AI tracking, the cameras will automatically lock onto a person the moment they step onto your property, smoothly following their movement to ensure zero blind spots. The real kicker here is the local-first, subscription-free ecosystem. Everything feeds directly into a central hub featuring 32 gigabytes of built-in local storage. If you want to hold on to months or even years of footage, you can easily expand that storage all the way up to a massive 16 terabytes via the aosu Cortex Hub, giving you total data ownership with absolutely zero monthly fees. You can manage all 8 cameras, watch live streams, adjust panoramic presets, or use two-way audio to talk to visitors through a single, seamless smartphone app. If you are ready to put a permanent shield around your entire property with a premium, zero-maintenance, no-monthly fee system, this is the ultimate choice. Make sure to click the link below for the best price available right now. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment letting me know how many cameras your property needs, and I will see you in the next video.